One more time. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Software development team at Oakland University.
Perfect. Hi, Thomas and Sterling.
Hi.
So, hi, Luis.
Hello.
Hi, Carl, Brandon, and Nathaniel. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
All right.
Hi, Nicholas and Shelby.
Hello.
Hello, Fabian, Alice, and Elias.
Hey.
Hi, Jacob, Zach, and Thomas. Hello, Ali and Denisa. Hi, Sohana.
Hi. For the programming languages, we use JavaScript and CSS. With many useful features like making comments, searching, filtering, creating posts, all in a simple but I think an attractive design.
Our goal is to create a mobile application where organization members will have easy access to the organization and make the communication better between them.
So you have two users, the teacher and the student.
Yep. And then the view for each is a little different. So the tabs at the top will change. So the teacher will have a few other settings that students will not, such as being able to export the data to be able to pull it into an Excel document.
Our project is called Animatch. It's a card and puzzle game. So the object is to have multiple difficulties, and then once you select your difficulty, you get a screen similar to this one at the bottom. This is the hardest level that we have, and the object is to match all the cards in either the quickest time possible or the least amount of flips. And then once the level is complete, you get a screen that's similar to this. We actually added a feature that allows you to input your name, and then it takes the score and adds it to a database which has a leaderboard. And the leaderboard will show the top 10 scores for each difficulty, which is cool, and then you can kind of beat your score and everything like that.
How did you choose the idea?
We just want something that can engage users with memory, without animals can fit with all users for kids or adults. And that's kind of how we came up with the name Animatch, just animals and they're matching cards together.
Want to have a fun game, or also it's good for your memory, you know? So,
Okay, thank you, Fabian, Alice, and Elias.
Thanks, Professor.
We have 5 main features, which are planning events, signing up for events, donate to the organization, Brothers Marketplace, and moderate the application.
Project about?
So our project is a personalizable and customizable social media or blog type application that lets the users have a online presence that they can customize and personalize to their liking, and also lets them filter the content by their liking as well, so that it's more tailored to what they're interested in and what they like. React was mostly for the front end. The back end we use Express and Node.js, and we also used the Postgres database because it was open source and it had all the tools and functionality that we needed for our website.
And you did a good job with the logo as well.
Thank you.
You designed it? You designed the logo?
Corey did. Did Corey do it? Oh, you did? Very nice.
Yeah, it comes from Digital Diary, but it was too long and we put them together.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Denisa and Ali. What's it called?
This is Attendance Plus.
Okay.
It's an attendance tracker for students and teachers.
Why did you choose the apple for your logo?
Well, Apple's just teacher theme, so I thought it'd be a good fit.
Okay, and A for attendance maybe,
Yep.
apple and
A+.
both. Okay, so tell us about your app.
Yeah, so we have an attendance tracker. We have 2 different views that you can select upon when registering. We have a student view and a teacher view. On here, we only have the teacher view or the student view shown.
Okay.
But it prompts you, shows your name, date right here on the home page. You go to your classes on this page right here. You're able to pull this drop-down menu here.
And it accesses the location, right?
Yeah.
You are using the location to track the...
Yep, to verify that the student who is submitting their attendance is really truly in class when they say that they're in class.
Okay, so it's going to include some map?
Yep.
Yeah. Or maybe just the latitude
In the
and
background.
altitude.
And then too, if a student doesn't submit attendance within 30 minutes of the class time, they're automatically marked absent for the day,
Okay.
so that the information stays accurate and the teacher doesn't have to go in and manually add all that information.
Okay, thank you, Shelby. And Nicholas?
So our project is called Get Fit. It's a fitness app
Yes.
where the user can download it and create workout programs to follow, and then that consists of specific exercises on different days of the week, and then when they sign in every day, once they have these programs set up and these exercises set up, they can sign in every day and it will track which exercises they need to do that day.
A lot of the fitness apps that are available are actually just owned by one product owner. So basically they can make money and have their own workouts and programs, but that's just for their user base. So our ideology was to kind of create not an open source project, but in that nature where like you can have trainers, clients come on and you can have multiple of them and everybody can come and use this app.
On our college research about the same app.
Yeah, so that it drove my research. So it kind of is like it's not my research isn't like directly related to this, but it's a part of it.
Oh,
So
it motivates your
yeah,
research.
exactly.
So our application is to help our restaurants with the ordering process. So the application, what it does, when a customer calls in, it would allow you to take their order. They can select if it's dining, takeout, or delivery. Then they will tell you the food it is and keep track of the total. And then the system also keeps track of the orders that have been paid or not paid yet.
So here you put the ID, then the quantity, then it will calculate
yes, so
the
here,
total.
So here you put the ID quantity, and here it gives you the total. Now, here is if you want to get information. Let's say if a customer calls in and asks, "What does this burger?"
Yeah.
have?" You select here, gives you a drop down, click search, and a window will pretty much come up explaining what the burger comes with to explain to the customer. It's pretty much at the end of the day, it will keep track of the date. And this right here is put in, all this is put in pretty much automatically. But if the
And here you are tracking the profit or what?
no, here we're tracking the orders that have paid or not paid. So these are not paid.
Okay.
So let's
Here you are tracking the profit?
Yep. Here you're tracking the profit for the daily.
Okay.
So it was supposed to be a bug tracker, but we made it so much more. This is a web application that will keep track of all the different emails that are sent back and forth between people, telling them something to do. And the way it does so is through the use of these stubs.
Why stupid? Why did you call it stupid?
Because everything is done through a stub, and it's this little proprietary, piece of information that holds everything that you would need to know from an email, and then organizes it for you.
So why did you think of this project? What motivates you to?
I actually do jujitsu.
Oh, you do jiu-jitsu?
Yeah, I
Okay.
do it like 6 to 7 days a week. So, and I looked at a couple of the apps online, but there wasn't any that would like let you put your own videos and stuff out like that. Because normally what I do when I'm reviewing stuff is I make a YouTube watch list and I'd go through that. I'm like, there's got to be a better way to sort that, and so that's why I thought if I sorted it by journal by what I did and then put a video of what I did on there. People who practice jiu-jitsu or anything like that to get better quicker by being able to keep notes, like on this one, to be able to add a journal entry and write down what they did every day and keep track of it by date so they can go back and review whatever they did.
And some other things that are like really influential in this app is the topic lookup feature. So you can search different topics and browse certain categories. And so when you click it, it can bring up articles related to those categories. And you're able to watch videos and read articles that were made by creators and at the end take a quiz just to assist.
What about the messaging? Yeah.
Yeah, in the messaging app, you can message your gym teacher and other students. So you can see who's online and see certain messages.